Hello everyone, this is Meghana. In this presentation, let's discuss about Macintosh operating system, which is nothing but Mac OS. These are the contents, we'll go through it. So let's have an introduction. Welcome to this presentation on Mac OS X, one of the most popular operating system in the world. In this presentation, we'll explore the history, features, and future of macOS, as well as provide a step by step guide on how to use it. Whether you are a long time user or a new to the platform, there is something for everyone in this presentation. So let's begin. What is meant by operating system? An operating system is a piece of software that manages computer hardware resource and provides common services for computer programs. It acts as an intermediary between the computer hardware and the applications running on it, allowing them to interact with each other in a controlled manner. The operating system performs a variety of tasks, including managing memory, scheduling tasks, controlling input and output devices, and providing a user interface. Without an operating system, a computer would be unable to function. History of Mac OS X. Mac OS X was first introduced in 2001 as a successor to the classic Mac OS. It was based on a Unix operating system and brought with it a number of new features and implements. One of the most significant milestones in the history of Mac OS X was the release of version 10.5, also known as Leopard in 2007. This version introduced a number of new features, including Time Machine for automatic backups, space for virtual desktop, and quick look for previewing files without opening them. Features of Mac OS X. Mac OS X has a sleek and intuitive user interface that is easy to navigate. The dock provides quick access to frequently used applications, while the Finder allows for easy file management. Additionally, the mission control features makes it simple to switch between open windows and apps. Security is also a top priority for Mac OS X. The operating system includes built-in features such as Gatekeeper, which helps protect against malware and threats. A file vault and encryption ensures the data is kept secure, even if a device is lost or stolen. Finally, Mac OS X's compatibility with the other Apple devices such as iPhone and iPads allows for seamless integration and sharing of files and information. How to use Mac OS X? To begin using Mac OS, you will first need to familiarize yourself with the user interface. The desktop is where you'll find all your files and applications. You can customize the desktop by adding or removing icons, changing the background images, and adjusting the sizes and the position of the windows. Installing and uninstalling applications on Mac OS is a simple process. Most application can be downloaded from the App Store, which is accessible from the dock. To install an application, simply click on a Get button and follow the prompts. To uninstall an application, drag its icon from the applications folder to the trash. Customizing settings on a Mac OS X is also straightforward. System preference is where you can adjust settings for things like display, sound, and network. You can also customize keyboard shortcuts, keypad gestures, and more to make your experience with Mac OS even more personalized. Application of Mac OS. Mac OS is a versatile operating system that can be used for a wide range of application. It's a user-friendly interface and powerful feature makes a deal for a personal use as well as for business and creative projects. One of the key application of Mac OS is in the field of graphic design. With its advanced graphics capability and support for industry standard software such as Adobe Creative Style, Mac OS is a preferred choice for many professional designers. Where you are creating logos, illustrations, or layouts, Mac OS 10 provides the tools and resources you need to bring your ideas to life. Troubleshooting on Mac OS 10. One of the most common issues that users may encounter when using Mac OS is a slow system. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including too many applications running at once, outdated software, or a lack of available storage space. To fix this issue, user can try to closing unnecessary applications, updating their software, and deleting any unused files to free up spaces on their hard drive. Another issue that user may face is a frozen application. This can be frustrating, but there is several ways to fix it. First, try force quitting the application by pressing Command plus Option plus Escape. If that doesn't work, try to restart your computer. If the issue persists, you may need to uninstall and reinstall this application. Future of Mac OS. The future of Mac OS is looking bright with exciting new features and updates on the horizon. On one trend that we can accept to see in the coming years is a great emphasis on integration with the other Apple devices such as iPhone and iPad. This will make it even easier for users to seamlessly switch between their use devices and access their files and application from anywhere. Another area of focus for Mac OS is security. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, Apple is committed to stay ahead of the curve and providing its user with the most advanced security measures available. We can expect to see new features like improved encryptions and biometric authentication in the future versions of Mac OS 10. Mac OS 10 versus other operating systems. Mac OS 10 is often compared to other popular operating systems such as Windows and Linux. While each has its own strengths, Mac OS offers several advantages that make it the best choice for certain users. One key advantage of Mac OS 10 is its user interface. It is designed to be intuitive and easy to use with a focus on simplicity and elegance. Additionally, Mac OS is also known as its security features, which are built into our operating system and help protect users from a malware and any other threats. In conclusion, we have explored the history, features, and future of Mac OS 10. We have also discussed how it compares to other operating system and its future development. It is clear that Mac OS offers a unique and user-friendly experience that is worth trying out. Whether you are a creative professional or an everyday user, Mac OS 10 has something to offer for everyone. Its sleek design, advanced security features, and compatibility with the other devices make it a top choice for many. So why not give it a try and see for yourself what make Mac OS 10 stand out from the rest. Thank you for watching the video.